going to start nymph fishing this run here. Basically, when I look at this run, I see several different currents coming in. I want to focus on the seams of this fast water in front of me. That's where the fish are going to be lying. And basically, I'm going to strip out some line, and I'm going to use a roll cast. Roll cast is how I'm going to present the flies to the fish. I hold the line up high, we call that high sticking, and I follow it down, I follow the flies down the exact same speed as the current is pushing me. We just got to catch a couple. Here we go. Just like in the movies. Nice little brookie. Always wet your hand before you touch the fish. Actually, don't even touch the fish. Just do your best not to hurt them. Get your forceps. There you go. A lot of fly fishermen have problems with line control. And my dad, who was a master at fly fishing and fly tying, taught me this weave that we use, as you can see here. What we do is we have complete line control by doing so. We just weave it in between our two fingers. It's another blueing olive, but a smaller one. There we go. And that's the one they wanted. That's the payoff. You work hard, you find out what they're feeding on, and the end result is a fish on the end of the line. It's a nice fish, it's a nice brownie. Now I gotta be real careful because I got 2.2 pound test on. And we keep the fish off balance. It's another brook trout. I highly recommend guide trip, not because I'm a guide. I mean, look how much you guys learned in the last half hour. It's not that hard. I teach it 6 or 7 times a day. People see me out in front of the shop casting a fly rod and they say, oh my God, that looks so hard. And little do they know, in 8 minutes I can have them throwing a line. And then we build from there. We teach them knot tying along with the casting lessons. And then we take them out in the stream and teach them how to fish. It's a lot of fun. A lot of fun.